Hello everybody, welcome back to Algebra, and we've got guest observer with us, Cameron. How you doing, buddy? Cameron loves math and he loves to learn, so he's coming to watch what's going on. So last time we talked about multiplying polynomials, but today we're going to divide them, and to do that we're going to have to reach all the way back in our brains to about the 3rd or 4th grade when we learned how to do long division. Mr. Mann, are you in the 3rd or 4th grade?
No, I'm only in 1st.
Only in 1st? That's okay. Doesn't mean you can't learn something. All right, so when we're dividing polynomials, it's key to put the thing that we're going to be dividing into the dividing box like we would normally do. And then we've got our thing we're going to divide with, 2x plus 5 over here. So the first thing you have to do when you're dividing is you're going to take the first term of the divisor here, 2x, and you're going to divide it into 6x squared. So 6x squared divided by 2x is 3x. So 3x is going to come over here, and that's going to be the first part of our answer. And now we're going to multiply 3x times the whole thing. Now that's kind of confusing because when we divided, we only divided the first part. But when we multiply, we're going to multiply by everything. That's important. You don't multiply by everything, you're not going to get the right answer. So 3x times 2x, that was 6x squared. And 3x times 5, that was 15x. Awesome. Now, you're going to subtract whatever you did. So basically, anything that had a plus in front of it is going to have a minus in front of it now. So 6x squared minus 6x squared is 0. And 7x minus 15x is negative 8x. With us so far, Cam?
Yes.
Everything I said made sense?
No.
That's okay.
Nothing really.
Nothing really. Well, you don't know any algebra, so that makes sense. But the people who are watching this will, so they'll know what's going on. All right. So now we need to do the next step. We have a negative 8x here, and we need to divide that by 2x. So what's 8 divided by 2, Cam?
8 divided by 2? 16.
No, that's times 2. We're dividing it. So 8 divided by 2.
4.
4, there we go. That's my first grader right there doing some division. Okay, so 8 divided by 2 is 4, so we're going to get minus 4 right there. And now we're going to multiply minus 4 times the whole thing again, just like we did last time. So minus 4 times 2, that's negative 8. And then minus 4 times 5 is negative 20. Now we need to subtract. So to subtract, we're just going to flip the signs that are there. The negatives are going to become positives. So now we're adding. Negative 8x plus 8x is 0. Negative 20 plus 20 is 0. That means the answer to this problem is 3x minus 4. And now you can check this pretty easily. If you multiply 3x minus 4 times 2x plus 5, you will get 6x squared plus 7x minus 20. Whoa.
That's a big one.
Yeah, that's called a polynomial, Cam. Polynomials have lots of stuff in them. Okay. So now we've done our example. We're going to do just one more. So let me get that ready for you, and we can go to that one. All right, here we are back for our second example. And in this one, we've got a slightly longer thing we're dividing into, don't we, buddy?
You bet.
Yeah, this one's much longer than the other one was.
Yeah. I think it's like, let's see.
Even longer.
About 15.
15? Well, let's see. Should we find out if Cam's right?
You bet.
All right, so the first thing we're going to do, just like we did in the last one, is divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. So 2x to the third divided by x. And that's going to be 2x squared. We're going to put that right here. All right. Now, the next step, remember, is to multiply whatever you got by everything over here. So 2x squared times x is 2x to the third. Right, you should be getting the same thing here. And then 2x squared times negative 3 is negative 6x squared. Now you have to flip the signs. So that means whatever sign was in front of what you got, you need to flip it. So this one's a minus, this one's a plus, and that means you can get rid of this term. We want to get rid of it, right? We're dividing. So when we do that, we get 0 and x squared, because negative 5x plus 6x is x squared. And now we do the process all over again. So what's x squared divided by x? It's x. What's x times x? X squared. X times negative 3? Negative 3x. We flip the signs. Flip, flip. We get 0 and negative 5x. And then we do it again. Negative 5x divided by x is negative 5. Negative 5 times x is negative 5x. Negative 5 times negative 3 is positive 15. You flip the signs. This becomes plus 5x. That becomes minus. You get a 0 and a 0. And so your final answer is 2x squared plus x minus 5. So the important things to remember are that there are certain steps that go with polynomial long division. And if you follow the steps, you'll get the right answer. The first step is to divide the first term of the thing in the box by the first term in the thing out of the box. You're going to get a number, a value on top of the line. You're going to take whatever you got, in this case it was 3x, and multiply it by the whole thing. Remember, it has to be the whole thing. Then you flip the signs of what you get, and you should eliminate the first term, and you'll get something new in the next term. And then you do the process over again until you're done. And that's all it takes to do polynomial long division. I hope you learned something, and I hope you're ready for the next episode, which is going to be even more algebraic. Woo! See you next time. Bye.